brought my camera, but I didn't bring an SD card. So we just dropped off Amalia at school because she had some rehearsal for theater. So Matthew and I decided to go. What is that?
Nothing.
No, it was something. I smell it. I don't know, but it was big. Ew, I still smell it. So yeah, Matthew and I are just on a little lunch date. How's your burrito? Shoot it?
Yes. There's literally nothing on there.
Oh yeah.
There's no football.
I don't understand why he does that.
His old football is old. He's still trying to rip it.
This is gonna fall, isn't it?
Ooh, look.
Comfortable?
It has suspension. It's $300.
What? Peanut. Peanut. Come on. Peanut. Peanut. Oh. Peanut. Look. Hi, Kaido. Hi, Bubba's. That's not breakfast. We're about to head out and drop Amalia off at school because she's annoying. Very. So, yeah. We didn't even vlog that much anyway yesterday, but it was fun, right, Matthew? Yes. Guys, look at this. What the hell is going on here?
We're just gonna have to wipe ourselves with the next best thing.
Ew. No, and look at what we are being forced to buy.
A water filter.
Because there's no freaking water.
Yeah.
That is crazy. And we just saw
weeks.
3 people with 3 carts from the same family filled to the brim. And this is ridiculous. Look, everyone's in the care section trying to find some antibacterial stuff. It's Thursday night, you guys.
Thursday night.
Yeah, look how worried George is. Comes to this to the food section. It's almost 5 in the morning. And we're here. Right outside of Sam's. We thought like lines were gonna be lining up of Sam's. There's not a single soul. This one wanted to come at 4 in the morning.
We're waiting.
I was like,
for a line.
whoa there. So we're the first ones in line. We're just gonna wait in the car until we see other cars pull up, which is hopefully closer to 7, so we don't have to go out there and stand. We've been sitting here long enough, Eileen. We could have gone to go get some coffee.
Where?
And breakfast.
Where?
Look.
Like you've never seen a car.
Look
You're
who's blocking our view. They're blocking our view. We can't see anything that's happening.
Chick.
So that was crazy. And we didn't even end up getting water because the trucks didn't make it in time. We hung around for like 2 hours, right?
2 hours, 3 hours. We were there
3
for
hours?
7.
Well, we were in line for a very long time. And yeah, still no water. A lot of people were really mad about that. People are crazy. Some people were getting the Clorox, I think. 3-pack of big old Clorox bleach. They were getting like 4 boxes each. I'm like, why do you need so much? Like, that's like overboard. Like, just get what you need and that's it. Like, they're gonna come back in stock. Like, the world's not ending. Like, you know? But people are going crazy. But everything was like very manageable. People weren't getting too crazy. So it was pretty chill. Are we gonna go to Starbucks?
You want to?
Bye, baby. We'll be back. Come on, come on, come on. You can do it. Good boy. Peanut's okay. That's a good Peanut hand. Where you at, Peanut? What are you doing in there? What are you doing in there? What are you doing in there? What's that? What's that? Do you like it? Well, I guess we have to buy it now. Oh, baby, don't do that to my heart. Don't do that to my heart, Peanut Hand. All right, let's go. Oh my God.
Did you grab phone? Peanut hand.
Peanut, you are the bougiest
You're the peanut hand.
little thing. Oh, look at this big one. What are you doing, Peanut? He's like, I've never been so close to one before.
He's I'm too fun. Super sweet kitten. And rare.
Oh, baby. You guys, I don't even know if I'm gonna put this in the vlog, but we're on our way to the vet because Peanut's not feeling well. The reason I'm still sitting here in the parking lot is because George still hasn't sent me the address to the vet that he wants me to take him to. I don't know if you can hear, but he's not breathing right, and it's not getting better. He keeps getting sadder, and obviously it's breaking my heart because next year I would have had them both, Kaido and Peanut, for a decade. And I know they're getting older and stuff, but I would never want them to pass away hurting. So we're gonna go see if we can do something about this because he's just not doing well.
Doesn't want to open his left eye.
He's not. He hasn't eaten right in the last 2 days. He hasn't drinking water properly. He drank a lot of water last night before falling asleep, so I was happy about that. But this morning I wake up and his face just looks not well. Like, you can tell he's in pain, and hopefully it's nothing serious, and hopefully that's the case and nothing major happens. But either way, you know, like, we've been spending a lot of time with him, like, just crazy amount of time. Like, I just stare at him because I don't know what's going on and I don't know how to fix it. It's just another stress that we have to deal with on top of the whole virus crap. I don't usually talk about stuff like this in the vlog, but you know, this is something that I don't know if I'm gonna want to look back at, but I don't know. I might not. And just in case anything happens, you know, I have these last few videos of him to add to my collection. And I love you, Peanut. Peanut, are you gonna get better? I love you. It's 7:45 right now, and the vet that George told me to come to, it doesn't open until 8. So we're just patiently waiting. He's in the back. We put him there to give him a little bit more room, to get a little bit more comfortable if that's possible. Peanut him. He weighed 23 pounds. He's usually 25. My poor baby. They're gonna check his temperature right now.